skills to get the job done. I don't have the knowledge to make machines run. I can't install appliances, but I know someone who can. It's the dishwasher man. It's the dishwasher man. I wrote him a song and my dad wrote a check. I showed him the breaker and he did the rest. The dishes are piling up. I needn't wash them by hand. It's the dishwasher man. It's the dishwasher man. It's the dishwasher man.